A recent Home Depot ad caught my attention. The Ryobi portable power source, 18 volt, on sale for just under $20. I wondered if I could use that with the two USB ports to power the smaller telescopes. It did say that the unit powers off after 8 hours to conserve battery, so if I can get 8 hours out of it on either Seestar or DWARF, that'll be good. That'll allow me to carry the night without having to switch batteries, especially when I am at a remote location without main power. There was also another deal which I did not need, selling two batteries and a charger for $79. They are usually $204, and my most interest was in the 18 volt battery, the 4 amp hour, to see what that will do with this adapter. Ryobi sells lots of tools that are battery powered. We own most of these, so we really do not need to buy batteries. And if we did buy batteries, they would not go to waste. They will definitely be put to good use. Doing the math, an 18 volt battery, 4 amp hours, gives 72 watt hours. And I have measured the power consumption of DWARF at 5.3 watts and the power consumption of Seestar at 4.8 watts. So the two together, if I were to connect them both, one to each of the USB ports, that'll carry me 7 hours before either the Seestar or the DWARF start draining their own batteries. Both of them are rated for between 4 and 6 hours. So we have a whole night here with a simple $20 device and a battery that will carry both of these the entire night. If you want to go bigger, Ryobi also sells a 300 watt 40 volt power source, and you can get a 12 amp hour 40 volt battery. That gives you 40 times 12, 480 watt hours. That'll carry Seestar for 4 days, 100 hours. Just want to point your attention here. The combined price is $458, and we are approaching a rule of thumb here which says you're paying about $1 per watt hour of battery generation or power generation from battery storage. If you go with the well-known Jackery, the Jackery Explorer 1000 is a 1002 watt hour capacity, and it's selling for about $1,000. So your $1 per watt hour is pretty good. This one is on sale, limited time deal, so you can save some money. These generators are always on sale. They always come on sale. They come and go. And there are many other manufacturers besides Jackery, but Jackery is probably the best known. If you want to go bigger than that, you can go Anchor. This is a 12,000 watt generator that will give you 7,680 watt hour for $8,000. Again, close to a $1 per watt hour. That will power Seestar for 10 weeks, and you don't have to worry about having external power to power it. That's all from the Pompey Observatory. We'll see you next time.